Okay, now that we've had St. Patrick's Day, we need paper. So I picked up this paper. You can pick this up as well. Echo Park, papercompany.com. I'll leave a link in the below. And $7.50 right now. So let me show you. That's what I paid for this one as well. This is not a sponsored video, by the way. So it's 12 by 12 papers and the sticker sheet. So we have the journaling square things here. Oh, look at the leprechauns at the bottom. Oh, now that's fun. Now you're going to have two of each one of these papers like this. So you have one of this one and one of that's the back and the front here. And if you have a 2-page layout that you need, there you go. I bought this because I have a grandson who found a 4-leaf clover, and we've gone to the St. Patrick's Day parade in Boston. So that's my plan on for these. Then we have this one here. This one is Luck of the Irish. And it has just a bunch of flags and stuff that says Lucky and horseshoes. And the back side of this. I've already been looking at this, can you tell? Oh, there it is. This one is the right one. Okay. So this is the back side. So chances are I'm going to do a 2-page layout using these. But look how cute this looks together. This is going to make some great layouts. Even if you have some Irish in your background or something and you want some paper for that. This is just polka dot paper. This would go with anything, birthdays or anything. And the back side is this one. So kiss me, I am Irish. Lucky, I like this. You could fussy cut around this. Maybe use some ink or something on the edges of it and make a, I'm so lucky to have you. So you can, and then oh, look at this paper. Look at this paper. This is beautiful. And this is the back side. So you could do 2 layouts with this. Look at this. You could do something like this. Kind of like the stripes this way. That's cute. That is adorable. I like it. Bring in some pops of yellow or the blue or even the pink. And that does not have to be St. Patrick's Day, but it could because it does have the lucky clover in there. And then we have this one here, which is the pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. And on the other side is this one here. I find myself not using this as much as I do both sides of the paper to make a double layout. But, you know, that certainly you certainly have the options to do something like that. You could actually do something like this, like do this, put a picture here, here, and here, and then leave these here. That would be cute. I might have to try that now that I've come up with that. So then we have some horseshoes, and then this is the other side. That's just fun. This one might have to be the parade one because that's adorable. Look at the Irish. And then the sticker sheet. We have here. We have the leprechaun and the hat. Lucky, shamrock, and roll. That's fun. Oh, look at the top up here. We have In Love, Lucky Boy, Duck, Dream Big, March 17th, Party, Laugh, Full of Luck and Charm, Little Miss Lucky. Oh, I pinch back. That would be hilarious on a layout. May the luck of the Irish always be with you. May every petal on the shamrock bring you joy and good luck. Aww, how cute is that? So guys, run over to echopark.com and get yourself some of these. I'm not sure how long the thing is, but I know it is at least for a couple of days. And if you missed this one, they always are having it come back. $7.50 for this layout, which makes 62 cents a paper or so. So run, go get you some, guys. I'll be back again.